A woman is safe nowhere, be it in neighborhood, school, college, trips, or name any place on planet Earth. Whenever we step out of our homes, our woman instinct automatically starts to guard us. Pick any newspaper lying around you. You will see multiple rape and sexual harassment stories. In every 16 minutes, there is one rape case reported in India every day. Hello everyone, I am Amina Ansari and you are watching HW News English. Yesterday, a French woman who was on a trip to India was raped in Rajasthan's Udaipur. The woman had arrived in Udaipur on June 22nd. The accused allegedly lured the woman from a party. The woman was attending a party at the Greek Farm Cafe and Restaurant in Udaipur's Tiger Hill. According to the station house officer, the accused met the woman at the same party. The man introduced himself as Siddharth to the woman. Then the accused asked the woman to step outside the restaurant on the pretext that he'll show her the nearby attractions. Later, this accused forcefully took the woman to his rented apartment and committed the heinous crime. Despite her repeatedly requesting him to be dropped at the hotel, the accused drove her to his rented apartment. The woman has alleged that the accused tried to initiate physical contact once they reached his rented apartment. When she resisted his attempts, he sexually assaulted and raped her. The woman admitted herself to a private hospital in Udaipur after the incident and later lodged a complaint with the police. The man is absconding at the moment, but efforts are on to locate him. The victim is reportedly in stable condition and is undergoing medical treatment at a private hospital in Udaipur. This is not sole case of tourists being raped in India. There are multiple instances which raises serious concerns of safety in India. The list is long. 2 months ago, on April 16, a woman was molested by a man from Haryana. On March 6, an Israeli tourist was allegedly gang raped in Karnataka's Hampi. On March 11th, in Delhi, a British woman was allegedly raped by a man who was her social media friend. If we go by data and numbers, the NCRB figures say that 192 cases involving foreign victims were recorded in 2022. Among these, 28 were rape cases and 13 were assault cases. Reports indicate that a significant number of crimes against foreign tourists in India, particularly rape cases, do not reach a conclusion in courts. These crimes can malign India's global image. It could pose a significant threat to the billion-dollar tourism industry of India. With these repeated crimes against foreign tourists, fingers are also pointed at our law and order system by foreign government and media. What we expect from government is not just a word of assurance on safety, but also action and plans. When the Gujarat rape accused were freed, welcomed with garland and sweets, when sexual harassment case accused Brij Bhushan roams freely, when a person like Ram Rahim gets parole left, right and central, when a rape convict Asaram gets bail in a blink of second and gets a grand welcome. It is these moments when we women felt unsafe in our own country. Until justice is swift, accountability is real and women's safety becomes more than just a headline, India will continue to fail its women. This is not just about one French tourist or a handful of shocking headlines. It is about a system that repeatedly allows perpetrators to walk free while survivors are left to pick up the pieces in silence, in trauma, and too often in shame. Enough of the garlands for convicts. Enough of empty promises. It is time for action. But no woman anywhere should have to live in fear just to exist. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English.